Geely Rigging Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of webbing sling, ratchet straps, and other related rigging accessories. Geely webbing sling is produced from top-quality synthetic fiber by advanced international level of weaving technology and equipment in various sewing methods. According to customers' requirement, the safety factor of sling has 5-to-1, 6-to-1, 7-to-1, 8-to-1 ratchet strap is another main product. Geely have the advanced production equipments, the strong studying team, developing and sells high-quality cargo tie-down on a variety trucks and trailers. Geely owns quality control department and standard management department so as to assure the quality control and management upon regulations and responsibility. Geely considers the quality control as enterprise's lifeline and builds the integrated quality control system, which ensures the product quality. Geely products was not occurred because of the product quality suffers the punishment the situation since the company has been founded. We guarantee the quality of our products. Customers can use them under the safe circumstances all the time. Our company builds a quality management system in accordance with the International Quality System obtained CE and TUV-GS certificate. The manufacture of synthetic fiber sling, cargo lashing strap, lifting clamp, hoisting, lifting hook, and shackle applies both international production standard. Geely take the high quality, the superior service as an objective, with principle of your fully satisfaction is our eternal pursuit. We welcome you to join hands to create brilliant.